This is an unboxing video for the Burris Eliminator. In this case, you should be able to see this is a Eliminator 3 for 16 by 50. It's a very different scope, as a laser range finder and some software built into it. So it's a little different to a regular scope. Let's take a look inside. So this has a little button attachment which allows you to trigger, if you like, the ballistics and range finding capabilities. So that's that. It has a shade, as you would expect. It has some lens caps, which is great. Let's take a look at the scope itself. Some accessories, which is bound to be power and other things, and a pretty extensive manual, much more than you would regularly get with a regular scope, since this has so much built into it. So we can see here, get the scope the right way around. Has the Burris warranty on it, as you'd expect, and it looks pretty different to a regular scope. That's because of all the cleverness baked in. And as we can see here, just looking around it, this is the underside. So here we can see it looks like a pick rail on the bottom. And you can see there's a different set of controls here than you would get on a regular scope, because you're doing most of the work in the software. So we can see we have some parallax adjustments here on the front with a nice rubber grip. Feels good. It feels very light as well. You would expect it to be probably heavier, but it feels pretty light. And here we have the regular adjustments of diopter and magnification. And so we're going to do a separate video which explains the insides of how it works, but that essentially is what the scope looks like. And you can see that we have a different set of turrets here which are protected. Cap turrets, so you can make manual adjustments as required. Let's just see how much this weighs. So pretty light, lighter than many scopes. It's only 1 pound and 12 ounces. So it feels like a very well put together, high quality scope, and the details of which we will dig into on a separate video. So that is the quick unboxing of the Burris Eliminator 3.